you like that intro. I just thought to share a video about, how I use the heat gun in order to remove, this sticky tape from the GoPro mount. So basically, I'm using a Wagner gun. It's not, got it on Home Depot. It's very easy actually to do. So basically, the first thing is let's just power this thing up. It's gonna be noisy, so sorry for that. Set it up to like about 500 degrees. Then just you can see right now start peeling, right? Once you get it hot, be careful, don't get burned. Start peeling away. Do it again. Just a little bit more. A little bit more hot. And it's gonna start coming up just like so. And you're gonna have like a little residue here. Just warm it up again. Let's turn this off. So you see these little bit pieces of, glue. The way that you can remove that is just get some like alcohol. 91% is fine. It's like get a little of it and then just swipe it. And you just keep, passing it over that. And you're gonna see those pieces are gonna start coming away. So for the last part, what I did is I use a napkin, so you have a little bit of more of kind of like a sandpaper effect. And this is the result, right? So napkin, alcohol, rub it in, and at the end, that's how it ended up looking. Okay, so hope this video, is helpful for you guys, and hope you like it. See ya.